Put your hands on mine and carry on. Do you know that I'm dying to pour your love? Now that I'm ready to give up my lungs for you. Tell me that you love me, tell me that you love me. Do you know that I'm dying to pour your love? Now that I'm ready to give up my lungs for you. Tell me that you love me, tell me that you love me like I do.
Akilu aka na raketa akilu witi osoji nnọkọta mbụrụ osoji uwe n'ọnụ tawa ine me ya ichesi na ịgara na arụsịpụta obidogo. This is what we call shenri. This one is called the camshaft. This one is called the sprocket. While this one is called oil pump. And as you can see, this is engine sitting. This one is very good. While this one is not good. Engine sitting. This one is not good anymore. So you come to this side. This is the engine bottom plate and the camshaft. You can see this is the camshaft, the one that is holding the chain on top of the engine block, and this is the top cover. This one is called the oil pump cover. You can see that. And this is air pump, the brake pump. This one pump the brake. Once this one is not good, the brake will be strong. And this is called the vacuum. This one is the vacuum, you know. Why this is adjuster? Well, this is all the parts that you use to assemble the complete Mercedes Benz 272 engine. And this 272 engine, you can put it in your Mercedes car, C300, GLK, ML, GL. There are many cars that you can put this engine. So maybe you want to come next time, we'll show you how to couple it.